Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Outlook. All right. So first up, go ahead and log in with your account to calendly.com. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Integrations and Apps. Just click on it. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to look for Outlook. Okay. We have that in here. If you can't see Outlook in this page, go ahead and use the search function and type in Outlook. Like so, as you can see, we have three options for Outlook. You have Outlook Calendar plugin, the Calendar for Outlook, and the Outlook for Workflows. Okay. Now for Workflows right here, it will send automated emails from your Outlook account. Calendly for Outlook, it will access and share availability from your Outlook inbox. The plugin right here can add events to your desktop calendar and prevent double booking. Okay. If you want to add them all, you can go ahead and do so. But just for this example, we're going to be using Calendly for Outlook. Okay. If you follow the same steps, these two right here, you'll have the same results. All of the three will be connected to your Calendly account. Now going back, I'm going to click on Calendly for Outlook. Another page will open. Now in here, just wait for the blue button to pop up. And it says here, get it now. Just click on it. Now go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. Okay. Sign in. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, it will ask you to confirm your details. Okay. Just do what it says. For example, your job title right here, company, editor, answer ASAP, region from the Philippines. I'm going to look for Philippines right here. Like so. The phone number. Okay. Get it now. Just wait for it. It says taking you to Calendly for Outlook to complete the process. Okay. It's going to make you sign in again. Just go ahead and follow the simple steps. Like so. Now there will be a pop-up right here. Calendly for Outlook. And we are now under the Outlook website or outlook.com. Now what we're going to do here is just click on add. Wait for it as it adds. Okay. And as you can see here, it will be automatically pinned. If you want to unpin it, go ahead and do so by just clicking on this button. If not, just tap on X. You can now go ahead and open up any email right here. For example, this one, just a draft. Okay. I'm going to click on applications and we have Calendly in here. Now in here, just go ahead and sign in. Okay. Using your Calendly account. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.